Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix PowerWash Simulator 2 in game not launching, crashing, not loading, freezing, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. The first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then choose network settings and click on test network connection and wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for PowerWash Simulator 2 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, check if the issue is resolved. Next is to clear cache of PowerWash Simulator 2. For that, open Xbox guide and then click on My Games and Apps and tap on See All option. Here search for PowerWash Simulator 2, then press menu. Now choose Manage Games and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data and click on Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next go to Account, then Remove Account. Here choose the account to remove. Finally select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the update process. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System and click on Settings. Now click on System and then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. And then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall PowerWash Simulator 2 game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps and select See All option. Here select PowerWash Simulator 2 game, then press menu button and select uninstall. After the game is removed, open PowerWash Simulator 2 official website and download the game once again, and then check if you can play the game. If not, final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you're coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. And you can play the game further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.